Dad Dwayne Sands, Papa Sands, the motorman of this Monte Carlo, the K&M Grading, Marvin's Garage Doors, Advance Auto, Pilot Mountain, Insane Graphics, Papa and Nanny Sands, Watson Logan, added new sponsor this week with Watson Logan, on the 99 of Jordan Sands. Starting in the first spot is going to be the 8 of John Wayne Plasters out of Meadows Sedan, driving for Chris Cavanis, and his Camaro, the Cavanis Trucking, Cavanis Auto Truck Service, Roots Curtis, Spears Machine and Welding, on the 8 of John Wayne Plasters. Got a name like John Wayne, you better be bad. Here we go, it's going to be a 20-lapper. Parsons grabs the early week race man for the first day ride down the back street. 99 Jordan Sands drops back to forward. The 8 of John Wayne Plasters looking on second. So 50 now. Parsons got the Nova hooked up between this group and the 44 ride. Bruce goes down, trying to hang in, coming off 4. He pushes up the 3 The Plasters was down towards the second spot. Attention on pit road, 3 late models in the stage are coming up. 3 late models in the stage are coming up next. There's a little bit ahead, but one over really modified. So 3 late models, stage them, you're next. Parsons is the leader race fan, over a half a study lead over the 1 puts them down. Last tripping off the lead before Parsons for that number 4 ride. Let's go, 3 late models, take it up, you're next. We're going to be halfway, next time out, 10 down, 10 laps to go from Jeff Parsons in the motor door. Jeff trying to take 3 in a row to the two later, and then go to the lead. Is that doable? We're halfway, 10 down, 10 laps to go. Battery in for second, let's go down to the 1 and the 8 of John Wayne Plasters. gonna do 5. Race stand, 5 laps to go, but Jeff Parsons is the flag stand. 15 down, 5 laps to go. Great big models for the stakes for next. Great big models for the stakes are coming up next. Notice Griffin on third road. We'll say great late models for the stakes for next. Winding down here, race fans, we'll see the road cars coming from pit road. The crates are coming up next. Don't believe we have the one modified in the house tonight. Parsons off the turn 2 down the backside. Wristwatch has got them covered, race fans. Look at the white flag raising. White flag raising on the speedway. One more trip for Jeff Parsons in the 43rd. Down the back sheet going into turn 2. We can see the big second flag raising coming off of turn number 4. Mr. Excitement, Jeff Parsons, safety. Looks like John Wayne Plasters is going to finish to the second spot, and 99 of course stands for the third. And the run of Mr. Brown. Looks like a Mr. Lane for the CFE. The Mr. Excitement, Jeff Parsons.